it's Airie here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry that I wasn't able to post last week. I was not feeling good at all. I just wasn't, and then I had a lot going on anyway, so I'm so sorry. But we're back at it again. So today we'll be coming with a cash stuffing. I'll be cash stuffing my boyfriend's and mine's. And yeah. For those who don't know me, my name is Airie, and I'm on a journey to becoming debt-free while enjoying life. I'm also trying to just, save for the things I want to save. I like nice things. So in this channel, you'll see that, and you're gonna see me grow and have my business and all that. So if you're interested in that, then stay tuned, y'all. So first things first, we are gonna stuff my boyfriend's check. He allows me to do this. I always go over finances with him. So this is not a pressure thing. He's always involved with his own finances. He allows me to share with you guys what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and start. So first things first is ties with 180. So 150, 60, 70, 80. Savings is also getting 180, 150, 60, 70, 80. Sorry, y'all, I'm a little tired today. So my energy may be a little down, a little low. Okay, so we're at 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 50, 60, 70, 80. Emergencies getting 90, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. We had another emergency come up. I'm like, we really need to get to 1K. What's happening? Okay. We might need to rebudget. I'm just going to be honest. So rent is getting 438. Okay, so we are hold on, y'all. Y'all know how I like my bills now. So let's go ahead and make sure these are what it is. Okay, so we're at 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 50, 67, 80, 90, 900, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 906. Well, wedding will be getting 50. So here we have 100, 200, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 100 and, no, 230. I'll probably have some inserts later because I do be forgetting. So just to keep track of everything, we'll do that later though. Y'all will see that process too. Okay, so gas is getting 50. Groceries is getting 100. Spending is getting 100. Haircut is getting 60. Car maintenance is getting 25. Let's see how much we have in here. This is building up slowly and nicely. So we're at 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 15, 20. Goal is trying to get it to 500 to 1K. Events is getting 150. And we are at 100, 200, 300. Family's getting 100. Oh my gosh, let's go ahead and turn that around. Y'all know me. Okay, so we're at 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. Wait, I want to make sure that the bills aren't sticking to each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 885. Travel will not be getting anything yet. Holidays also will not be getting anything or investing. Miscellaneous will be getting 50. This is for dental. 150, 60, 70, 80, 90. That's enough to cover it. Oh, sorry. Mom will be getting 25. My goodness, can't open this. Disneyland will be getting 100. And that's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,100. Almost done with his. Okay, and then this is for therapy, which goes into my binder. Okay, so next is me. So we've decided as a couple that we really want to like get our savings together. So that's going to be a priority after these trips. After these trips come, well, I have a trip coming up in September, but I also, the main one that's causing like all the strife and all the money is Disneyland. I wouldn't say strife, but we just want to make sure the Airbnbs are covered. Where we're going, or where I'm going in September, is cheaper than our way of living here, so I don't have to budget as much. Okay, so Ties is getting 160. I will bring this to church on Sunday. Savings is also going to be getting 160. If you guys don't remember, I emptied my savings to pay off my credit card, so that's why it's back to zero. But hey, we're almost at 500, so 100, 200, 300, 50, 60, 70. We're at 370. So now I'm not gonna touch this and let it get to 1K at least. And then emergency, I will also be building soon. Business won't be getting anything. Groceries won't be getting anything. Gas will be getting 40. Mine is kind of quick this time, so Moving Out won't be getting anything. Ross won't be getting anything. Rocco will be getting $150. And actually, I am going to take, actually, I'm going to put that aside. Wedding won't be getting anything. Apple Card will be getting $400. I went to the dentist, and so what did I do? Wait, I don't know what I did, y'all. I just know I'm paying myself back for something I already saved for, but I did it weirdly. So let's see, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 1,097. I don't remember why I did this, but I know I trust myself. Bank of America credit card is getting 100. No, 150. Sorry, y'all. Travel isn't getting anything. Car maintenance isn't getting anything this time. Car wash either. Medical either. Oh, so what happened was there's an unexpected payment for my dental. So I used all of my dental and I had to use my credit card to pay the dental that was left over. So that was paying myself back. That's why. It ended up being like $600, y'all. So yeah, that was unfortunate. Disney is getting $150. My goal is $1,500. So we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 1150. Okay, and I believe that's it for this binder. Next is my self-care binder. So nails won't be getting anything this time. Hair will be getting 50. Oh my gosh. So hair's getting 50. Lashes is getting 100. I have my appointment tomorrow, so that's fun. Spa won't be getting anything. And yeah, I think this is it for now. So now is the savings challenge. Wait, what did I say this was, y'all? I don't remember what I said. So we are going to be doing, I told you I'm tired, mace challenge. I don't have a 5, so I'll have to figure that out the next paycheck. So for now, we're just going to put 170. And I'll just remind myself to do 105 next paycheck. Halfway through the year, y'all. Okay. Oh, what I'm going to do is I actually paid for therapy, y'all. So I have therapy automatically on my card, but me and my boyfriend pay half. And just so y'all know, we're not taking, it's not therapy for a bad thing. It's therapy for maintenance. You know, just to make sure you have what you need to have in life, just for tools. But 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 1500, 900, 1000, 1100, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. I'm just tired, y'all. I'm so sorry. Okay, y'all. Thank you so much for this video. I will see you in my next video. Again, if you like the dashboards, sign up for the link that I have in my description box. It's going to be a link to a website where you can sign up so that you guys can have first access or first dibs to these ooh, I really am tired. I'm so sorry, y'all. To these dashboards. Okay, so just let me know, y'all. And actually, you know what, I don't know what I was thinking, but let's go ahead and do this, honey. This has a whole pin loop. All right. We all official. Okay, y'all, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.